When you open the Digital Students Book for Level B1 of Gateway 2nd Edition, you'll see a menu of contents. In Unit 6, there's a grammar lesson. Click on the words pages 70 to 81 to open this unit. You might already be familiar with this grammar lesson. It's on page 72. Click here to zoom in to the top of the page. You'll see that there is flipped classroom content for this grammar lesson. We all learn and understand things at different speeds, but of course this is difficult to manage in an ordinary physical classroom with a large group of students. In a flipped approach, the grammar explanations and the guided practice take place during individual self-study time, which means you can use live class time for the kind of activities that really require interaction, like role plays or other speaking activities. Students simply click the video symbol here to watch a video which uses this grammar point. Students can watch the video as many times as they want, and they can pause it or jump to specific points if they need time to think or listen again. Click in the top right to close the video and go back to the Digital Students Book. If for any reason this button doesn't work, you can also find the video in this menu, the Resources menu. Click the filter symbol, look for video content only, and choose Flipped Classroom Video, page 72. After watching the video, students can then read this grammar box and click here to do the guided practice. They can save their answers, reset the activity, and they can even submit their answers to check if they're correct. Click here to close the activity.